Hello, I am Dr. Mona. I am a fertility specialist working in Surbhi IVF Center, Moradabad. Today we'll discuss about the natural conception and the artificial conception and what is the difference between them. Natural conception is the conception when the couple conceives by the natural sexual intercourse and the fertilization takes place in her own fallopian tubes. And artificial conception is that when the couple is not being able to conceive by natural intercourse, then by various means we assist the couple to conceive them. This is called assisted conception. Assisted conception can be in the various forms. It can be the form of IUI, IVF, ICSI, PISA. There are so many other variables as well. If we talk about IUI, it is the first step in infertility which we offer to the patients to help them to conceive. In IUI, we place the processed sperm in the uterine cavity so that it crosses the hurdle of the cervix through which she is not being able to conceive. IUI is especially helpful in the couples in which there is unexplained infertility. Couple doesn't know the cause of infertility and where there is a sperm count is around 10 million or less than that. IUI helps them to conceive. And the second thing is when the sperms are not being able to cross the cervical canal through which sperms has to cross in order to conceive, then if there is any anti-sperm antibodies at the cervix, then through IUI we make the semen reach to the uterine cavity directly and we cross that hurdle of cervical canal through which sperm is not being able to pass. And in couples there is a difficulty in ejaculation, husband is not being able to ejaculate, in that IUI helps a lot. These are the some things in which IUI really helps. This is one form, and second is we can go to IVF and we can go to ICSI. The main difference between IVF and natural conception is that in natural conception fallopian tubes play a very critical role for conceiving, and in IVF we bypass the fallopian tubes. So in patients where there is a problem in the fallopian tube, IVF can help them to conceive. Thank you.